Today we're making ricotta cheese, so gather your ingredients first and let's get started. You'll need 8 cups of milk, a half a cup of heavy cream, and a third of a cup of fresh lemon juice. Ice a large heavy pot to make sure it doesn't scorch on the bottom, then add your milk. Add the lemon juice and the cream. Stir with a wooden spoon without touching the bottom for about 5 seconds and put a candy thermometer on the side of your pot. After about 20 minutes, you'll begin to see curds forming. You want the temperature to reach 205 degrees Fahrenheit just before it begins to boil. Remove the pot from the heat and let sit for 10 minutes while the curds and whey form. When the 10 minutes is over, scoop the curds into a fine mesh sieve over a bowl. This is the beginning of your ricotta. Let it drain for another 10 minutes. If you want, you can sprinkle salt over the ricotta cheese after it drains. Otherwise, put it in a sealed container and keep in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. Don't let that liquid go to waste. That's whey, and you can use it in soup and a substitute for milk or water when baking. So what can you use ricotta cheese for? Well, the most famous ricotta recipes are lasagna or cannolis, but today I'm going to try ricotta muffins. I didn't make a full step-by-step tutorial of the muffins, but you can find the full recipe in the description below. I used both the ricotta cheese and the whey in this recipe, and they were delicious. My son even liked them. Basically, you're mixing the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, and there's not very many ingredients, so that's good. And you stir them together and put them in the oven. It's a fairly easy recipe. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.